In a quiet village surrounded by rolling hills, there lived an old man and his 4 sons. While the village was peaceful, the man's home was anything but. His sons quarreled constantly, over the smallest things, from who had the most strength to who was the wisest. Their arguments grew so frequent that they barely spent a day without bickering. The old man, growing tired of their constant fights, knew that the unity of his family was at stake. He had raised them to love and support one another, but now they seemed more divided than ever. He worried what would become of them when he was no longer around to guide them. One day, as he sat outside under the shade of an ancient tree, he had an idea. The next morning, he went into the nearby forest, where he gathered a bundle of sturdy sticks. The sticks were long, thick, and strong. With some rope, he tied them tightly together into one solid bunch and returned home. His sons were gathered inside, once again in the midst of another petty argument. This time it was about who could do the most work in the field. The old man, watching silently for a moment, approached them and placed the bundle of sticks on the table before them. "My sons," he began, his voice soft but serious, "I need your help with something. I want each of you to try and break this bundle of sticks. Start with the eldest." The eldest son, his pride evident, stepped forward. He gripped the bundle with both hands, confident in his strength. He pressed and strained, but no matter how hard he tried, the bundle remained solid, unbroken. Frustrated, he handed it to the next brother. The second son tried as well, using all the strength he could muster, but the sticks would not break. The third son, equally determined, took his turn, but the result was the same. Finally, the youngest son, though unsure, gave it his best effort. Despite his attempts, the bundle remained intact. The old man, watching his sons struggle, smiled knowingly. He untied the rope and handed each son a single stick. "Now," he said, "break these sticks, one at a time." Each son took a stick, and with a simple snap, they broke the sticks in half easily and effortlessly. The old man spoke again, his voice calm yet filled with wisdom. "Do you see what has happened? Alone, each stick is weak, easily broken, but together they are strong and unbreakable. The same goes for you, my sons. As long as you continue to quarrel and stay divided, you will be weak, and life's challenges will easily defeat you. But if you unite, if you stand together, you will be strong, able to overcome anything." His words sank deep into the hearts of the brothers. They had been so focused on their individual strength, their own pride, that they had forgotten the importance of unity. The message was clear. They were like the sticks, weak when divided, but powerful when united. From that day forward, the brothers changed. They worked together, helping one another in their tasks and supporting each other in times of need. The old man's lesson had stayed with them, and peace returned to their home. And so, dear listener, remember the lesson of the bundle of sticks. Alone, we are fragile, easily broken by the trials of life. But together, united in purpose and support, we become strong, unbreakable. For in unity, there is strength, and with that strength, we can overcome any obstacle that comes our way.